Alright, got second flight of the day. This is F-15 Eagle, December 23rd. About 37 degrees. Got the armament on it. Calm day, only about a 1 mile an hour wind right now. Slow takeoff. High rates on the aileron. High rates on the elevator. Low rates on the ailerons. Had somebody commented that I should turn the ailerons up to high on this. If you want to twirl it like a spiral football, that's a good plan. But if you just want a nice slow scale flight, low is plenty, at least in my experience. A little bit nose heavy today. Low pass in front of us. High speed pass. Loop. That's as tight as she'll go. Coming off the throttle a little. Slow speed pass in front of us. Just gliding. See if we make a low pass with belly towards us this time so we can see the ordnance. Can't really see the blue tanks underneath it. I guess those are fuel tanks. And it's got two missiles, one on each side. Can't really see those very well. Oop, almost went over the lot. Ain't nobody here though. Yeah, you can't really see the missiles on this. It's only the second time I've flown it with ordnance. And first time it did have quite a good wiggle to it. Kind of a rocking back and forth motion. But it was windier that day, about 7 miles an hour, so that might have been part of the problem. But today is fairly calm, and she seems just as steady with the ordnance as without. Alright, there's our timer going off, so let's bring her around for a landing. A little high, but I think we can salvage it. Get out of the rough. You can see all the steam coming up off the ground out here. I don't know if it comes out in the video or not, but there it is, eFlite F-15 Eagle, 64mm size. Runs about, I don't know, $180 or so. Good flying plane. I think, however, myself, if I didn't have any EDFs, I would still go with the Rebel. About the same price point, give or take $10. And feature for feature, the Rebel does a lot better. The only advantage this one really would have is the safe technology on it, which is good. I like it. A lot of people badmouth safe, but I look at it as if it's equipped on the plane, I activate it when I bind it to my radio, and at least that way you always got a bailout button. But Very rare do you ever use it after you've been flying for a little while. Alright, F-15 Eagle from, it's eFlite from Horizon. Let me qualify that. It's actually an FMS plane with a safe receiver in it. That's basically what it is. A new paint scheme. Other than that, it's pure FMS. Alright, thanks for watching.